What was the initial application of fiber fabric air ducts in? In the 1960s and 1970s, freezing and refrigeration industry. To meet the requirements of high cooling capacity and low wind speed in the refrigeration area, start using regular cotton fibers. Create a bag-shaped air supply outlet. This is the prototype of fiber fabric air ducts. With the development of textile technology and fiber materials, air ducts are gradually being applied in more fields. Want to learn more about ventilation duct knowledge? Welcome to Like and Follow.